Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to log in Snapchat without verification code. So first you just have to simply look for a device that you have used before. So the reason why Snapchat will ask a verification code, it's because maybe the device that you're about to use is kind of new and you haven't used this device before. So make sure that if you open your Snapchat, it should be from the device where you have the history of logging in or you have logged into this device before. The second thing to do is to simply message their customer service. So you can open your email and then kindly type support@snapchat.com with the subject recovery or account recovery. Okay, and then here you can now compose your message them. For example, I bought a new device or I bought a new phone and I cannot log into my Snapchat account, or you can also say that please help me. I cannot log into my Snapchat account because I'm currently using a new device or not familiar device. Okay. So you can copy this one or you can compose your own message. You can even attach a file, an image, or photo here as a proof. Once done, what you want to do is to submit this and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this issue. Now, if you have done all of these methods and then there's something wrong with your message or your messages because you cannot receive any message like a verification code, what you want to do here is to simply go to your settings, go to app management, and look for app list, then search for Snapchat. Then what you want to do here is go to permission and make sure that you allow phone or contacts and any other features here on your device that can help you receive a message from Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.